So we're going around the y-axis, so we like that we have x equals. It makes it a little funky to draw, but that's okay. X equals y squared is just a sideways parabola I can draw. And then this is just y equals x minus 2, so a y-intercept of 2, and it's just a line. And we're going around the y-axis, so we want this region there revolved around the y-axis. And yeah, looks good. So we're going to have to draw our radii. So we're going to start at the axis of rotation, drop until you hit something. We hit that parabola first, but we could go farther, so we do have both two radii here, and our outer one is the line. So what we're going to do is we're going to have our volume is going to be pi times the integral. The outer one is the line, so it's y plus 2, and then that radius squared. And then the inner one is the parabola, so y squared, so that radius squared dy. I need limits. I need to know where these guys meet. So I'm going to set them equal. Y squared equals y plus 2. Y squared minus y minus 2 is 0. So y minus 2 times y plus 1 is 0. So y is 2 or negative 1. So negative 1 to 2, that's what the y's are doing. So negative 1 to 2, that's our setup. And all we got to do is solve this. So I'm just going to distribute. So it's going to be y squared plus 4y plus 4, and then minus a y to the 4th dy. And then I'm going to take the antiderivative of each piece. So that's y cubed over 3 plus 4y squared over 2. It's 4y plus y to the 5th over 5 from negative 1 to 2. I'm going to plug in the 2 and subtract what I get when I plug in the negative 1. So we get thirds plus, let's see, this is just 2, so this is times 4 plus 8 plus 32 fifths. Subtract what I get when I plug in the negative 1. So it's negative 1/3 plus 2 minus 4 minus 1/5. Whatever the heck that is, right? Fine. Suppose I'll do it just to make sure we match. So I have 8 thirds plus 8 plus 8 plus 32 fifths plus 1/3 minus 2 plus 4. So minus and minus is plus 1/5. Math, enter, enter. I'm getting 138 over 5. Don't forget your pi. Cross your fingers. 72 pi over 5. Bummer. So the setup is right. Negative 1 to 2 is right. I just can't do fractions. Alright, so where did I screw up? Probably it's 2. Maybe my calculator, I plugged it in wrong. So I'm getting we got 8 thirds plus 8 plus 8 plus 32 thirds plus 1/3 minus 2 plus 4 plus 1/5. Math, enter, enter. Oh, sheesh, now I got something different. Oops. Plus 8 plus 8 plus 32. getting 138 pi over 5. You see it? There. Minus. You did it. Alright, fine. So that's a miss. So if that's supposed to be a minus, that would make this guy a minus, which would make this guy a plus. And so now when I plug it in, I get 8 thirds plus 8 plus 8 minus 32 fifths plus 1/3 minus 2 plus 4 and then minus 1/5 and then math, enter, 72 pi over 5. Heck yeah. 72 pi over 5. We got it.
Cool.